great question. How has touchless technology affected airport parking? Well, I think maybe to some extent, even greater than in some niches of the parking industry, touchless technology affects airport parking even more significantly. And so the one common factor when someone goes to the airport to park, whether long term, short term, extended term, whatever it is they're in a hurry to get to their flight. And the one common factor when people get back from a trip is they're in a hurry to get home. And the parking industry for the last 10 years or so has been talking and seeking for some kind of a frictionless solution to parking. And I think touchless takes us is pretty close to a frictionless solution. So you get to the airport, you tap in, you get your virtual ticket. You don't have to worry about where you're putting your ticket. Make sure you keep track of it. While you're out on the road, you can check on the status of your car or any additional services you may have ordered during your parking, and be secure that your vehicle is okay. And when you get back, you go to your vehicle and you can pay for your ticket using mobile pay. You don't have to wait in line at a cashier or at a pay machine, or you don't have to worry about traffic at the gate. You're in quickly, you're out quickly. That's pretty much as frictionless as it can get. So yeah, I think touchless technology has a huge impact as far as airport parking. And, when you think about it, the next time a person has to go to the airport, they're going to think about the quality of their experience last time when they decide if they're going to take an Uber or if they're just going to park at the airport. If we can make it simple, easy, frictionless, um, certainly they're going to decide to park at the airport instead of taking that Uber.
Touchless payments have definitely enhanced the airport parking experience. Previous to COVID, a lot of smaller airport lots only had a couple of pieces of equipment if they weren't gated. That equipment oftentimes would be subject to huge lineups, and really the rules of parking were not clearly marked. So adding a mobile payment offering like Pay by Phone allowed the airports to convey their parking messages all the way through to the gates. So now a parker that might be running behind, doesn't want to miss a flight, can check in as they normally would without risking citation, and they are very well aware of the rules of parking in that lot all the way up until they're boarding the plane. Similarly, touchless payments have allowed airports to provide extensions in this time when airplane travel has been so iffy. Now the parker can relax and extend a session and make sure that their parking is valid until their plane gets them safely home.
Hello everyone. The COVID-19 has certainly changed our parking and traveling industry a lot. Fortunately, the new technologies like touchless, contactless has been fast-tracked and helped making our lives more easier and safer. The QR code technology took this touchless to the next level of comfort at our fingertips. With the QR code, anybody can park their car without touching the single piece of equipment throughout the journey. And the mobile applications with easy digital technologies revolutionized the parking experience and its services. Now one can reserve the parking in advance time, and he can also book other value-added services like smart car wash and other things. Finally, it has become the catalyst in bringing gateless, ticketless, cashless, seamless, and smart parking system technologies by going more greener, faster, and safer. Thank you very much.
During the past few years, we have seen the importance of avoiding physical contact in places as busy as an airport. Smart parking solutions have had a great impact on this sector, enabling users to interact with the facilities quickly, securely, and without the need of any contact. License plate recognition technology drives smoothly the process to entry and exit of the parking lot without a ticket. Also, the entrance through a pre-booking parking space. Integrating contactless systems in airports parking will improve your business revenue and save passengers time enhancing their parking experience. Technology is in a continuous progress, allowing to leverage the benefits of the different stakeholders. So, it's high time the airport industry understood the importance of smart parking systems and tried to use them in the best possible way.
Is contactless parking affecting airport parking? Well, certainly what we see is that since COVID-19, there has been a huge shift from the traditional parking towards a more contactless experience at our airport parking partners. We see this in three ways. First of all, customers tend to no longer print their reservation, as this means that they have to take a piece of paper with them, but they show their reservation on either their smartphone or on their iPad, which avoids a certain point of contact. Secondly, what we see is that customers tend to pre-book their reservation a lot more, as this allows them first of all to pay the reservation online, meaning that they don't have to pay the reservation at the parking, and secondly, they no longer have to do this at the parking, saving them a lot of hassle. And thirdly, what we see from our parking partners is that they are creating a contactless experience by using QR codes and license plate recognition to enter the parking lots.